can read?
Of course. 너무 예쁘다.
진짜?
여러분 여기 섬에서 약국 갔다가 그 약사분이랑 친구가 됐어요. 한국에서 왔다 그러니까 갑자기 자기 핸드폰을 딱 보여주는데 종로구 지도를 보고 계신 거예요. 다음 달에 한국 간다고. 그렇게 이제 대화가 시작돼가지고 여기구만. Hello. I can just spend time outside. Yeah.
You walk fast.
Oh, sorry?
Film already?
Film already. You're in my camera already.
Good. Where you wanna go?
Not really.
Beach?
Sorry?
Beach?
Beach.
Beach.
Oh, you wanna go to beach?
Whatever you want.
I wanted to, but I thought you were scared of mosquitoes.
Yeah, because I
You-
can go now,
Oh,
but
okay.
you cannot stay too long because mosquitoes.
Everything okay though? You look a little stressed at the pharmacy.
Of course, I'm working
No.
where I like to work.
Your energy is so different today.
Really?
I'll bring back your happy energy, okay?
Good.
Okay.
So,
젠비치 도착입니다, 여러분.
I will learn Korean
여기가
soon.
제일 이쁘대요.
So I will-
Oh, that's a lovely tattoo, Alisa.
Chinese.
That's a they,
You can read?
of course, a smart Korean man.
Okay. Can do it.
Myself, partying 고팡안.
No.
로컬들이 여기 그냥 왔는데. This is so local.
Local. Beach vibe.
와, 좋다. Wait, so how long are you going to Korea?
5 days.
Oh, that's so short.
So short.
What's your plan?
Party. No, I'm gonna meet my friend.
Party.
Better?
Where? We're gonna party.
Hongdae. Another one. Itaewon.
Oh.
But I've been there and stay only Hongdae. Hongdae.
Party.
Party. Yeah, party until 9 a.m. 11 a.m. I think. Korea is crazy.
You are great. Korea many times. Thank you for spending a lot of money in Korea. What did you like about it?
I like because it feels like Thailand. Like I like cafe, and they
Okay.
all make cafe pretty vibe.
Yeah.
I like food. Food is spicy, similar with Thailand.
Mm-hmm.
Salon.
Did you do? No, you didn't do it in
I
Korea.
cut in Korea, but now it's more
Ah.
already. I never have a girlfriend Korean. I don't know why.
Are you straight, Elisa?
Straight?
Yeah.
Yes.
A female friend.
Female friend. I don't know how to say. Woman friend, not girlfriend.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm straight. Yes, I'm straight. I love men.
You love men.
Travel 5 years. How you not
너무 예쁘다. 좋네요. 아, 섬에 살고 싶네요, 여러분.
Yeah.
Is it real though? How is it even possible? The tree, is it real? Natural?
It's real.
How is this possible?
No wanna die. Never die. I don't wanna die. 언니, 오빠. What is it? 괜찮아. 어떡해.
뭘 어떻게?
어떡해.
Do you work every day?
Every day. I have only 7 to 10 days off
Uh-huh.
and I travel. So when I'm in here, I'm work every day.
You don't take off days so that you can travel.
Yeah, I off for 1 week, 10 days.
It's my honor, Elisa, that you came out today. 아니 여러분 바다국이 너무 예쁜 거예요. 근데 사람이 꽉 차가지고 일단 기다리는 중.
That can sound really off-putting, right? Meditation
1
is
hour?
to for home
Oh
more.
my god.
And
판틴 마켓입니다. 아마 제가 여기서 큰 데로 알고 있고. 야, 씨, 메뉴가 100개야? Whatever you want.
Everything. 진짜? She remember menu, every menu.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's see if she's really right. Kiwi, raspberry, blueberry, strawberry. What's in 73, man?
와.
와우.
대박.
와, 이게 50바트라고? Let's go. 크리스피 포크 80바트고 치킨 파타에 80바트입니다. 미안해. I heard it's really common in Thailand. Oh, okay.
Because Thai people don't say the truth. They can't say I don't love you anymore. But you are very good. That means they have another girl. Understand?
Wow, so husband cannot say I don't love you anymore.
How do you want to love? Like I don't want to hurt you like this. Em còn nghe nói before.
Eh?
Second one.
You?
But nghe nói for people who marry, they marry and they have another girl.
Okay.
Nghe nói.
You were Miano before?
That's not nghe nói because they not married. They are boyfriend girlfriend.
You're the second girl.
And the second girl.
You knew it?
I knew it after 6 months or something after that.
Whoa. And you're okay?
But he say he gonna broke up soon.
Oh.
Don't trust him.
Oh. So may I ask, like, how long you kept the relationship with after you knew about it?
1.5 years.
Wow.
But he say he gonna broke up soon.
Every month.
Every
You're gonna
month.
break up. Next month.
And he lied like that. He broke up already and it's not yet. I know again, oh not yet. Never broke up before. And then he is gonna broke up and he said in 2 months, in 3 months like this second. So that's why we live for 1.5 years. And the girl, she doesn't know he have me. When I know he have her, I call her like why you let your boyfriend stay with me for many months? Why you don't know anything? And she say she know, but she don't wanna trust. She close her eye. I say why you not broke up with her? He say she didn't do anything wrong with him. She is very good girl. That is simple. But I can get it. If a guy, I have boyfriend, and he never hurt me. He very good man. It's very difficult for me to say like I wanna. It's many job, you know. Even if him too. I don't like.
That's why you didn't like it? Not because you felt bad.
No. No, I mean.
There just says that the number of the girlfriends stands for the power of a man.
Because they think they handsome, you know.
I'm sorry.
They think they handsome.
Whoa, I thought this was a Buddhist country, no?
It's not about religion, it's about people. They're selfish.
More powerful than more many girlfriends in like traditional area, not young people, no?
Yeah.
Right?
But yeah, for young people, maybe they don't think about that. They cannot control their heart.
They want it, but they just cannot speak out.
No, I mean, when you like another girl, you cannot control yourself. You don't talk with another girl.
It also says people do one night stand faster than the people from Western countries because Thai people are very expressive with their feelings
What is mean?
than Western people. Like that.
He's a munchkin.
Because it's like they
I know
good
exactly what
about
you mean.
show their feeling, right?
So physical relationship is not about physical. It's about the feeling you're saying.
So
Because you live in Thailand, right?
yeah. But maybe not everybody.
Yeah, of course, yeah. So which one is worse for you? Physical relationship or emotional relationship?
Emotional.
Oh, it's worse.
Physical, I understand.
Hmm?
Physical, I understand. if you not with me for 2 years, I understand you if you're gonna have physical. But I don't want that. Maybe I'm sad, but I can forgive you.
So you can forgive your boyfriend. Any fuck different girl, you can forgive. Fuck different girl, you can forgive.
Don't say that. I don't want that. If he still love me and still am the first priority. No, not gonna.
Delivery service. Free delivery service.
Thank you.
How are you, pharmacist?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm a little sick today.
Sick?
Yeah.
Why?
I think I have a body ache. Yeah.
The first mosquito? Scary.
The medicine for body ache?
Yes, but
You do?
maybe you don't need to take. You just rest.
Yeah.
See a few days. You wanna
You ha-
take now?
But since I'm a nice guy, can I get it for free?
Yes, of course.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, you can do that? Oh,
I'm gonna take for you.
no. No, that's not free.
I can keep mine. I have mine. You don't need to buy. You can take one
잘 먹겠습니다.
now, and then you can.
No crazy customers today?
Oh.
No? 노라이 손님들이 많이 온대요. 그 백인들이 많은데 와가지고 다짜고짜 얼마냐고 약사한테.
Really
Okay,
like
okay.
this shop.
Yeah, you look happy today.
This is my home.
You never take off.
No.
You never take days
Yeah.
days off.
After Bali, I come here. I work every day.
와.
Hello.
손님 왔어. 페리사 씨가 하루에 15시간 정도 일하고 하루도 안 쉬고 일해서 휴가 아껴가지고 무조건 여행 간대요. 그래서 그거 말고는 쉬어본 적이 없고 마지막으로 쉰 게 3달 전인가?
It's good. I mean, I love my job, but I still like
It's amazing.
boring. So that's why I talk with my customer. I go, where you from? How long you stay here? Where you gonna go?
You work out here? Like on the floor?
Yeah.
You sleep here?
Sleep here.
Watch Netflix?
Cross and free.
It's like a small house for you.
Huh?
You should drink here.
Drink here.
Yeah.
Sometimes I go out and then I take a break and then I drink. Ah, so happy. My customer so happy.